Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what OmiseGo or OMG is doing today. So, looking at the weekly chart, I'm still using this old fibs. I think they're working out pretty good. So, we're gonna follow this fibs. The fibs that I'm using is forever ago. From April 23rd of 2018 to basically this low of March 9 of 2020. So as you guys can see, that one thing I do like, well, I would say kind of, is the excuse me, the moving averages are getting all clumped up. They're getting pretty close, so I like when they're clumped up because we're either gonna go break higher or we're gonna break lower. We're currently under them, so more likely a little bit of weakness is following. This is your 200, the red one. The blue one is the 20 exponential moving average, and then the yellow one is the 50 moving average. So just looking at this looks like we're going lower, just like everything else. I mean, my bias hasn't changed yet. But let's see how low can this go. Let's take this off for a second and let's just look at this. If we go, let's see what this one does. Then we're gonna need extensions for all of them. It seems like every single one I need an extension because we're kind of bearish, very bearish. Well, not that bearish, but we're bearish. I mean, if we would use this high, this doesn't really tell us much other than 3.8 will get very bullish. More likely this will just be close to the 3.8 and we'll get bullish. Let's look at the daily for a second. Yeah, we still have a long way to go. So let's go back, take this off. Let's look at the weekly again. I like to look at the bigger picture. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're gonna help out the channel reach new people. And if you get anything useful out of this channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can get useful stuff too. Definitely. No, I don't think that one looks that good. I mean, yeah, we're gonna retest this 2.1, but we want to see how much slower can we go. So we're not drawing this the right way, obviously, because I don't think this is gonna go negative. I mean, at that point, it would just go to 0. So let's redo this a little bit. That looks a lot better. Let's look at the daily. Let's see. Let's kind of fine tune this. Bam. Bam. Let's see. So, let's do right there. That one, and that one. That's much better. Alright, so those fibs align pretty well. As you can tell, I do most of the stuff on the fly. So, there you have it. Let's see. I don't think we're gonna go down this far to 0.6. It is a possibility. It's crypto, so anything can happen. So it is a possibility. We are definitely holding our lives on this 113% fib, so 2.34. But if we push down on Bitcoin, excuse me guys, which I think it will happen, we're heading back to 1.84. If people get very scared, and then I can see more likely we'll hit parity, so 1 to 1, and then we'll just more likely do a spike. I mean, this is kind of like a long way. from what current levels, but this is crypto. Anything could happen here. The RSI is looking mediocre too on the daily, so I wouldn't go past it. We could see 63. I'm sure I'm gonna get some hate, comments saying, no, it will never go this low, blah blah. But man, unless you have some sort of inside information that they're saying that they're not gonna do rate hikes, that is a possibility with the crypto market going further down. So my stance is stand aside and just wait for a better entry. Because we also here, you got the 200-day, you got the 50, and then you got the 20. So we're below the moving averages. Look, every time we're above or below, we go one way or the other a lot. So we still have some way, a lot way to go before we get very bullish. So I would stand aside for now. I'm standing aside the whole crypto market for the time being, just waiting for a better price. So keep that in mind, guys. If you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.